Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a starting soon screen on OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Now, if you already have a starting soon file ready to go, you can skip this step entirely and jump straight to the OBS setup later. Otherwise, let's create one together. After logging in, you'll see a search bar at the center of the page. Click on it and type starting soon, then press enter to search. This will pull up a variety of templates designed specifically for stream starting screens. Take a moment to browse through the results and choose a template that fits your style. If you're using a free Canva account, make sure to avoid any premium templates since those require a paid subscription to download. Once you've found the template you like, click on Customize this template in the upper right corner. This opens the editing interface where you can personalize the design. To customize any text on the template, simply click on it and replace it with whatever you want. Feel free to adjust colors, fonts, or any other elements to match your streaming brand and preferences. Take your time here to make it truly yours. When you're satisfied with your customization, click the Share button located in the upper right corner of the screen. From the options that appear, select Download. A menu will pop up showing different file format options. Go ahead and click Download again to proceed with saving your file. Now, you'll need to wait a few seconds or minutes while Canva prepares and downloads your starting soon screen to your computer. Now let's move over to OBS. Navigate to the Scenes panel and click the plus icon below it. This creates a new scene where your starting soon screen will live. Click OK to confirm the creation of this new scene. Next, in the bottom left corner, navigate to the Sources panel and click the plus icon there. From the list that appears, select Media, then click OK. This allows you to add video or image files to your scene. On the right side of the window that opens, click the Browse button. This lets you search through your computer files to locate the starting soon file you downloaded from Canva earlier. Once you find it, select it and click Open. Below the file path, you'll see a drop-down menu with various playback options. Look for the loop option and check the box beside it. This ensures your starting soon screen will continuously loop while you're setting up your stream, so viewers won't just see a static frozen image. Click OK to add the media source to your scene. Finally, you might need to resize the starting soon screen to fit your canvas properly. You can do this by clicking on the media source in your preview window and dragging the corners until it fills the screen the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom starting soon screen to OBS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.